Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a personal hotspot connectivity issue on your iPhone and iPad after the update of iOS 17, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap software update and make sure that you have a stable iOS version. You don't have any beta version. After that, we are going to tap on VPN and device management. Here we have to tap on VPN and disconnect the VPN if it's connected. Back to VPN device management and check the list. Is there is any beta profile installed on your iPhone, then remove the beta profile. Now we are going to launch settings again and tap on general. Here we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we are going to enable the airplane mode and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, go back to settings and disable airplane mode. By doing these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.